Hello from the Käseboomer workshop. I'm showing the installation of the lighting in our Lemans. This works best when the shelf is removed and lying on the table in front of me. Since an LED light strip will be glued on here, it's important to clean the surface with the included cleaning cloth first. Before sticking on the strip, the cleaned surface should be allowed to air dry sufficiently. I'm now placing the light strip directly against the plastic clip. And here we see a material edge of the railing a few millimeters below the top edge. And I use that to position the light strip and for sticking it on. It's important to press down firmly after applying it to ensure the adhesive really holds the strip securely to the surface. On the inside of the curve, it's important to prevent the strip from coming loose later due to too much tension like here. To do this, I press the strip directly under this edge and always feed enough material with the other hand so that the strip fits well into the curve. The length of the light strip is sufficient for all width variants of the Lemans shelves. We then cut off the excess just before the end of our plastic clip here on the railing at this point. Before we now lead the power supply, let me just explain. This strip right here, located under the shelf, is where we put on the end clip. This end clip will later wrap around the top edge of both the railing and the light strip. That means I put it on from above. I then help the light strip along a bit, and with that, the connection is now fully covered. Once the entire light strip is completely attached, the power supply is carefully glued along this section of the plastic clip on the railing. To do this, we turn the shelf over. Then we peel off this adhesive strip and use the plastic clip as a guide. And have thus aligned the power supply along here. Next, I connect the power supply to the battery compartment. Use one of these two sockets. Then I peel off the protective film onto the adhesive strip. And now position the battery holder as specified in the assembly instructions. It is important that this cable is not under any tension and that the battery compartment is pressed down firmly. And with that, I have positioned the power supply for the shelf lighting. Finally, there is a cable guide that is attached to the shelf, also with an adhesive strip. I'll attach it at this point so that the cable always stays in position. These two tabs can be bent over by hand and enclose the cable here. After the battery compartment is attached, the pull tab is removed so that the power is supplied. The shelf lighting, including the power supply, is now installed, and the shelf can now be put back in the cabinet. To teach the motion sensor the triggering movement, a calibration run is necessary. To do this, swing out the shelf, disconnect the power supply, wait for a moment, and then reconnect it. After the light turns off, immediately swing the shelf back in to save the movement sequence.